Hello, to all you JavaScript newbies. In this series of videos I'm going to be introducing arrays. Arrays are something which is very important in JavaScript as well as other programming languages. They're used quite a lot. They are a particular data type and data structure which are very popular, and as you get better and better and more knowledgeable about coding, you'll see why they're important to understand. So first of all, what is an array? An array is a list in which we can store things. These things are known as elements. So take a look at line 5. Here I've declared a variable const myArray and used square brackets. Within the square brackets I have a number of elements. Now please note, we have a string, an object, a number, an array with 3 elements in, and a Boolean value. As you can see, arrays can hold mixed data types. So whilst often they will have a singular data type within it, it doesn't have to be. So why use arrays? Well, what I'd like to do here is show you this, lines 9 to 10. I have 3 strings, apple, pear and banana, and I have put them into a variable, apple into apple, pear into pear, and banana into banana, if you can believe that. I simply want to console log each string to the console. I've prepared these console logs here, so I will run the code. And there we go. Now that sounds very simple, but what if we had 50 and I want to simply log 50 strings to the console? I'm going to have to prepare a console log each time. What we can do with an array is store them entirely within that array. Later we're going to learn about iteration and how to move over the array and perform an action on each individual element. So what I'm going to do is comment out this array, comment out these console logs, and then simply console log this fruit array. Run the code, and this is what we get. Apple, pear, and banana. But you see, the thing is, like these individual variables, we want to perform an action specifically on each one. Indeed, we want to access each element of the array. So the next video, we're going to be looking at zero indexing to see how we can access each individual element of the array. And later we'll be going on to iteration, how to perform an action on each individual element of the array.